Xiaomi is expected to launch two phones in the upcoming series, Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro. The company has already confirmed that the series will feature the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 SoC. The latest leaks of the smartphone is confirmed that it will have a 108 megapixel quad rear camera setup. It is also confirmed that it will have a 6.5 inches OLED display screen with a 900 Hz refresh rate. If we talk about its price and availability, the Mi 10 Pro is tripped at start at $545. Its base 12 GB RAM plus 128 GB of storage variant. Meanwhile, the price of the regular Mi 10 is expected to start at $444. Mi 10 and Mi 10 Pro will come in market very soon, but we are expecting that it will come in the Europe in the first week of the March. It is look like that Xiaomi has timed the launch of its Mi 10 series very close to the Samsung Galaxy S20 lineup. So guys, that's it for this video. We'll meet in the next video. Stay tuned and subscribe and press the bell icon.